Welcome back to Math Dogs. If you're new to the channel, please comment, like, and subscribe. If you have any questions, please comment down below. Problem number 14 is also a percent problem. It says the regular price for a doghouse at the pet store is $124.97. For National Dog Day, the store is having a sale and the doghouse is marked 15% off the regular price. What is the sale price of the doghouse? So I have 15% off, and it's 15% off the regular price, which is $124.97. So when I say 15% of what, it's going to be of the regular price. So I want to find 15% of $124.97, and that will tell me how much money I will save due to it being National Dog Day. Of means multiply, so I'm going to write 15% as the decimal 0.15 times 124.97. If I punch that into a calculator, I get back 18.75, which means I will save $18.75. To find the final price, I'm going to take the $124.97 and subtract out the $18.75. If I punch that into a calculator, I get my final price after the savings of $106.22.